What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another video on essentials. It appears from my previous videos that you guys have enjoyed hearing my thoughts on this brand in the past videos I've done over the past few months. So I thought that I would share with you guys a few items I just got from them. Now, these are not from the latest drop that is live tomorrow. I was not able to get anything from those, things are a little crazy with shipping and all that, but I did get a little peek at what they are releasing, like some new bamboo blended tees, which I have a couple from the previous drop here that I'm going to show you, and they look very awesome. And I'm told that I will be able to grab a few items from that release here probably soon, so I can give you guys an opinion on those in a later video if you're interested. But if you're a fan of this line, if you're a fan of essentials, I'd highly suggest you head over there tomorrow right away and check out the new drops, because from what I saw in the little peek that I got, and from what I've seen in past drops with this brand, things seem to just fly off their site. So my advice would be to head over there right away at the time of the release if you're interested in grabbing something. Now, what I was able to grab for this video was particularly cool for me, because in the past I went towards like the hoodies and long sleeve stuff and polos from this brand. I didn't dabble too much in the t-shirts because I honestly felt like I just couldn't pull it off. And I'm not saying for sure that I can pull it off even now. I'm not saying anything like that for sure. I am just feeling a bit more confident this time around, I guess you could say, to just give it a try, and that's pretty much what I did. And no matter what it may look like on your end, on my end, I actually felt pretty good in them. This time around, I picked up two of the classic tees. The first one is the Essential Classic Black tee, and just to get a second option in a different color, I grabbed the burgundy tee. Now, like I said, this is one of the first times that I've been comfortable in a t-shirt like this, and long story short, I've been trying hard to lose a few pounds over the past few months, and I still have a long way to go, but I finally felt comfortable enough to come on camera in one of these shirts. What I really liked about the fit here is that it's not tight around the midsection or the chest like some shirts that I've tried in the past. Instead, it's tight in the shoulders and around the arms. And as someone who generally likes his shirts to feel a bit loose, this was a nice combination of something new and something comfortable. Beyond that, these are incredibly soft with the bamboo that they use in the fabric, which is a reason for me to wear them all in itself, pretty much. Also, one thing that I noticed that I really appreciate is they don't shrink. This is really nice. I cannot tell you how many good shirts I've had that I wear and love, only to have them shrink in the wash and have to toss them out. Now, here in Nebraska where I live, we're still in the super hot weather area. We're kind of on the edge though. We're about to enter fall, where here in the next couple of weeks, evenings and night times are about to finally cool off. I'm really excited about this because I hate the hot weather with a passion. But the other two items that I picked from this brand are kind of items in anticipation of this little cool off session we're hopefully about to have here. This is me anticipating that coming, so I wanted to grab a couple of things for that. The first one being this black crew neck sweater. Now, honestly, this is a lot thinner than pretty much all of my other sweaters, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's gonna work nicely in those evenings where it's not so cold that you need a jacket, but chilly enough that you want to put an extra layer on. I also found that I can pair this easily with an undershirt and wear it into the office or something like that with some khakis, or go out at night with some jeans, and it looks good with both and it feels really comfortable. The last item I picked up too now was kind of a first for me, and it's another item for the upcoming cooler months, and that's the tracksuit. Now, I never thought that I would be grabbing a tracksuit. I've always kind of looked at them like, I don't know about that, but I just thought, what the heck? I saw it there. I thought I really like the way that hoodie looks. Let's just give it a try. And really, when I got it in the mail, it looks good. It felt good. It's really nice and soft. But honestly, I think overall it's just okay. I think I kind of look weird in a tracksuit. I just don't know if I pull it off. I feel weird in it, not because of the fit or anything like that. There's nothing about the fit. I just feel weird in it. I'm not sure how to describe it. I think it just looks odd on me. Maybe it's not really my personality. I do think the fabric though, again, is really nice, and it's actually super comfortable. It's almost comfortable enough that I may just overlook the fact that I feel and look a little weird in it. I have to be honest too, I actually like the hoodie a little more than the bottoms. It's super comfortable, and I can for sure see myself wearing this part a lot, but in combination, I'm just not sure I'm feeling the whole thing as a package deal. I haven't really decided yet if it's just me needing to get out of my comfort zone a little bit more, or if I just plain look weird in a tracksuit. I mean, that could just be the fact of the matter. just how it is. That though is everything that I picked up from my latest trip over to the ESNTLS shop, and once again, if you're interested in checking out the latest drop from this brand, I highly suggest you run over there right away. Their next drop is tomorrow, August 29th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a link will be in the description of this video. And remember, stuff goes extremely fast. It goes right away. I've seen stuff just fly off. It's unbelievable to me. So if you are interested in picking stuff up, you might want to head over there right away and grab what you want. I am told that they're offering free domestic and international shipping on orders above $150, I believe it is. And as always, I do have a coupon code for you guys to use as well. If you're interested, that will also be in the description there. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite item was from what I picked up here and what you plan to pick up for yourself in this next drop. I do always enjoy hearing from you guys and reading the comments and seeing what you guys grabbed from these new drops and hearing your thoughts on what I picked up myself. While you're there, make sure you drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe too. That's a huge help to me and this channel. I will be back with you guys here real soon, and until then, take it easy, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll see you next time.